almost 5 p.m. I had a long ass dream. One of my dream was like where there was this Latin guy, and he like fell in love with me or something, and he wants to marry me, but my parents said no Mexican, and his side was like no Korean, because the baby's gonna come out half Korean, half Latin. That's weird. Anyways, I'm gonna eat this bread. I love this bread. I'm gonna buy more of these. Kind of expensive, $2.50. I guess it's okay because there's two. I don't know what I'm gonna do today, but I need to clean my camera. I don't know what's wrong with it. Gonna do away from my hair a little bit. I'm gonna cut it maybe up to here, because I'm just trying to take all my bad hair out. I'm gonna do it November 28th with my sister at Tenpachi. Hopefully it's good. Yeah, and I need to trim my bangs. I suck at trimming my own bangs, so I'm gonna trim it. So yeah. I'm playing this game. Basically I have to build stuff and collect stuff to get stuff. The game is called, let's see, My Kingdom for the Princess? Something like that. Where's my mouse? I'm just playing this to chill. Ordnance attack. Poisonous ordnance are attacking your workers. Smash them with the hammer by clicking on them. To start? Oh, okay. There's a huge rainstorm at the moment. Oh my god, it was crazy. It was like a huge car wash. It's like, you guys missed it. This is how much you're supposed to. So we got the Panda bento box from the Amazon. 이거는 라이스 두는 거야. And you just need to wash this. Yeah, I need to wash this. So, wait, was it like this?
This first.
Yeah, first? Oh. What? Wait. Hold on. How does it... What the hell? What if we need to put something here?
Guess you can't. Just here.
I guess that's okay. But then, yeah. We're watching Avatar: The Last Bender, Season 3.